You are going to love the 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: convertible occupant rollover protection, remote power door locks, cruise control, trip computer, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, heated front seats, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.